So we are in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Price Pfister cartridge, and we use original equipment from the manufacturer. We do not use aftermarket. I'm sure you can, but we don't. So anyway, it's the 974-2920. It's straight from Pfister. And so when you have trouble with these, when they start getting sticky or start dripping, it's just a cartridge replacement. Sometimes they come out, sometimes they get stuck, sometimes they break. But anyways, this one came out okay. Actually, it came out in several pieces, so you can see there, but we got it out of there, got the debris cleaned up from inside. Everything is lubed up now. We got some silicone around the little cover plate, the stock tube right here, and then everything that is threaded, including the cartridge with the gaskets, is all lubricated with little grease that we have, and then all the threaded connections, all of this, the handle assemblies, and this little cover piece right here, lubed up too. It just helps if you start to get a leak and water goes through there, scale build up because of our hard water. It fuses everything together, so that'll come off. It's just finger tight, you know, it just covers up the mounting screw. That's all that's behind this cover plate. That's the handle is actually the gold part. So anyways, we've tested it out. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.